Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos dip without mayonnaise. Gather your ingredients and prep toppings before you start. Heat a skillet and melt shredded cheese slowly. Add black beans and salsa, then stir in Greek yogurt for creaminess. Season with cumin, salt, and lime juice. Finish with jalapenos and cilantro, serve warm with sturdy chips, and enjoy a bright, tangy dip without any mayo. Use layered flavors to build a mayo-free nacho dip that still feels indulgent and satisfying. Melt cheese and roasted garlic slowly, then fold in black beans, corn, and a touch of smoky chipotle or adobo for depth. Stir in Greek yogurt or sour cream to smooth the texture and skip mayonnaise entirely. Adjust salt, cumin, and lime juice to taste, and top with fresh tomatoes and scallions for brightness. Timing and heat control make or break a creamy nacho dip without mayo, so be gentle. Melt cheese slowly over low heat and add milk a tablespoon at a time until you reach the right consistency. Keep chips crisp by serving them separately and ladling dip into a warm bowl or cast iron pan. Maintain temperature in a slow cooker on low if needed, and finish with a squeeze of lime and extra cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.